Hi guys and gals, welcome to the GenRight Off-Road YouTube channel. My name is Tony Pellegrino and I am the owner and founder of GenRight Off-Road. GenRight is short for Genuine Ideas Engineered Right. I am a do-it-yourself guy that has built Jeeps and race cars over the years. I have wheeled all over the United States, including the Ultimate Adventure and Racing Ultra 4 at the highest levels. This channel is here to help you build your Jeep the right way the first time. I grew up dirt bike racing, and as I got older, I transitioned into a Jeep so that I could share the off-roading experience with my entire family. As they say, with age comes a cage. This channel is a collection of Jeeps, Jeep building, Jeep tech, Ultra 4 racing, and everything in between. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoy the GenRight Off-Road YouTube channel.